How to close your crypto.com account and remove cards. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is sell your crypto, transfer balances to external wallets, and spend or withdraw any cash on your crypto.com Visa card. So for that, what you're gonna do is, like I said, sell all of your crypto. For that, you can simply tap on the transfer option or from your stocks right here, and then from there you can tap on transfer and go along with the process of how you'll be able to do it, right? So after doing that, now what we're going to do is contact to customer support. For that, you would need to tap on the menu bar on the top left corner right here. Then you'll be able to see support. Tap on that one, and then you'll be able to get to their helpline, right? What you're going to do is simply request them to close your account, and they'll give you the prompt on how you will be able to do it. Or you can even email them on contact@crypto.com, and then simply provide the requested ID verification details to confirm and close the account permanently, and that is exactly how you will be able to do it. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.